Okay, when you're working with grid references, you can either use the Roma scale on the actual compass itself, or you can use an actual Roma itself. See, that's a silver Roma. They all come in different shapes and sizes. That's a Harvey Roma, but they all do the same job. And I have a video on my playlist of how to use a Roma, how to find a grid reference and how to take a grid reference using a Roma. But in this video I'm going to show you how to take a grid reference using a grid reference tool, and that's one there. It's a bit easier to use than a Roma. Right, first thing we do is, say for instance, just to zoom in a fraction, say for instance you want to take a grid reference of this crossroads here. Okay, first thing you need to know is the sheet number excuse me, of the map. And this particular sheet number of this map is SH. So you write down SH. Now then, you see this crossroads here is inside this square here. Okay? With a grid reference, the eastings are always given before the northings. Zoom out a fraction. Now the eastings are the lines, the grid lines that run across the map, east across the map. And the northings are the horizontal lines which run north of the map. So, just zoom in a fraction, just to get a bit clearer. So, this is the particular square that we're interested in, because that's where the crossroads is, inside that square. Place our grid reference tool on that square, and this scale of this map is 1 to 25,000. Right, so like I said, the eastings are given before the northings, so this is our easting grid line. Okay, and you can see I've marked it there, it's number 87. So on our bit of paper, after the SH, write down 87. Now then, we continue eastwards until we find the square that the crossroads is in. And this particular square is number 7. So after 87, we write down 7. So that's our eastings done. Now we want our northings. And like I say, the crossroads is inside this square. So that's our northing line. And that particular northing line is number 53. So after the 877, we write down 53. And like we did with our easting, we carry on looking northing until we find the square that the crossroads is in. And that particular square is number 7. So after the 53, we write down 7. And that's it. Grid reference for that crossroads is SH 877537. And that's it. That's how to take a grid reference using a grid reference tool.